Hi, I'm Kimo Turner with Husky Intelligence. Thank you for joining me for this brief overview of automated scheduling and route optimization. Today's glance at automated scheduling and route optimization is just one small part of schedule, which we talked about in our initial overview of Husky Intelligence. Remember too that Husky Intelligence is designed to support and automate your business processes. That means we want to help you run your business the way you think it should be run. It's pretty easy to see at a glance some of the differences between Oldschool and Husky Intelligence. But let's go just a little bit deeper here. Here we're showing you how easy it is to move a job to a different day, a different time, or a different person doing the job. And then that's it. There's nothing you have to remember to go back and change on a form or anything else. All of the information updates automatically. The other thing here that's going on here then is the optimization of the route. We've identified which is the first stop of the day and which is the last stop of the day. And then the system looks at the travel conditions and so on relative to the routes and assigns the best sequence for travel. And you can see then it will compress the jobs and allow only the time needed for travel. And then on the right hand side you're simply seeing what the technician would see on his mobile phone in terms of each of the jobs that he needs to go to. This concludes our overview of automated scheduling and route optimization. We hope you'll visit with us at huskyintelligence.com. We'd love to schedule a demo that's relevant to your business and the challenges that you're facing. And you can also sign up for a free trial.